Submit attendance in Blackbaud. Parent tutorial. Log into your parent view of Blackbaud. Select your child's name you would like to report an absence for. From the menu bar, select Report Absence. Next, select the type of absence: all day, late arrival, or early dismissal. Select the absence start and end date. Then choose the reason for absence. In the comment area, write the specific information for the student absence. Select Submit. You will see a green pop-up in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen to indicate your absence was reported successfully. Check attendance submission. Once FBCA Attendance has accepted your absence report, you will see the option to view submitted attendance in the attendance summary of your child's progress dashboard. To review the absence, select View Submitted Attendance. You will see the attendance report on the next screen. If needed, you can also report additional absences using the Plus Report Absence button. Please note, you will not see your reported absence in your child's attendance summary until FBCA Attendance has accepted the absence in Blackbaud.